Hey everybody, this is Matthew with Riverponics. Today I'm going to show you a filtering system for filtering water, whether it be rainwater or for emergency needs, what have you. This is a pretty nifty little device. So the first thing is, you want to drill a hole for a bulkhead fitting there. And then you got this is 1/2 inch PVC, no glute fittings, it's not needed. And so what you build out your fingers, okay? And then what you want to do is drill holes, little small holes all the way on each side of all the pipes, little drain holes, seep holes. And then you take small river rock and you apply about 3 to 4 inches in there to cover up your pipes. And then what I used was silica sand, and you can use other substrates like carbon, what have you, for filtering purposes for your water. And you fill the rest of this container up with sand to, I don't know, about that level, I'd say. And then you have your outside spigot. Okay, now your outside spigot, and this thing swivels and what have you. This determines your water level. Okay, so depending on what your height is on your spigot is what your water level is going to be. And the trick to this is to always have your water level 2 inches above your substrate line, your sand line in this case, your silica sand. And the silica sand I use is what they use for pool filters, okay? So you want at least 2 inches above your water line. Okay, so by having 2 inches of water above your sand line, you're gonna create the beneficial bacteria in there to break down all the pathogens and stuff in the water. All right. So the next thing, once you get all that built, then I put this on there, and this is just gutter guard. Okay, and I attach it both ends, and then I put this screen over it too. So you don't want to disrupt the sand in there or any substrate you use. So that's why I use this gutter guard, so it disperses the water nice and evenly. So the next step is your container lid, and with a 5-gallon bucket. And there again, you just put a bulkhead fitting on there, okay? And it attaches your bucket to your lid. And then you have this pipe here, and you just thread it in. Alright, and the trick is you want to drill 2 little seep holes there at the bottom. Okay, and just screw that back down. Yep. Screw that back in there. Alright, it's not cooperating with me. There it goes. Screw that back in there, and I also drilled a seep hole in there to create a vacuum as well. So what you do is take this container lid, put it on top of your filter. You would dispense your water in here, and those seep holes down at the bottom will slowly drain this container, and it'll drain down into your filtering system over that gutter guard and all that, and evenly disperse the water. And the pressure of the water entering this filter will gravity feed the water back out through your spigot. There we go. Filling that up. Put my empty bucket right there on my spigot. You can see now that will drain real slow into the larger container, and it'll make its way to see that. Now that's already starting to drip. And I got that little screen on there just for direct that water. So yeah, I hope I explained that well enough for you to catch the concept. It's not too difficult. But yeah, thanks for watching, man. See ya.